One sunny day, all the animals in the forest are having a meeting. Today, they will choose their leader.
I have big eyes. I can see in the dark. I can keep the forest safe when you are all sleeping. So I should be our leader.
Raccoon has big eyes, but I have long legs and a long neck. I can see farther than him, and I can also run faster than him. I should be our leader.
I know Giraffe has long legs and a long neck. But I have wings. I can fly around the forest and keep us all safe. I should be our leader.
I'm not faster than Bird, but I am smart. I can save our forest from danger. I should be our leader.
Grrr! I am bigger and stronger than all of you. I can beat anything. I must be our leader.
No! I am taller than all of you.
No, I'm faster than you.
No way! I am smarter than all of you.
All the animals start fighting. Suddenly, Squirrel is running towards the animals, crying.
Fire! Fire! Forest fire!
Bird flies high up above the trees. Yes, there is a fire near the cave.
We need water to put out the fire. Hurry up, everyone. Let's go to the pond. Bird, show us the way, please.
Bear uses his strong arms to carry water from the pond. Tall Giraffe puts out the fire high in the treetops. Raccoon sees the fire under the bushes with his big eyes.
Whew! We are safe now.
We put out the fire together.
We are all leaders.
Yes, we are all the leaders of the forest.